Hello friends, my name is Malik Ulsaidzi and I'm currently studying social science commerce at UNSI College. For those of you who aren't familiar with social science commerce, let me explain what it is. In this program, we take courses in marketing, business, finance, economics, and mathematics. These courses provide us with a foundational understanding of all the key concepts of the business world. Like you, I know how overwhelming it can be to analyze complex financial data or make business decisions without the right tools. Everyone wants to make informed choices. In our program, we're learning how to get through these challenges, but we also understand that it's not always easy to navigate the large amount of data out here. If you're like me and you want to have the right method to make the best decisions, whether it's for investing or running a business, that's exactly why tools like TradingView can be so helpful. I'm still learning about financial analysis and I'm not an expert. However, I'm really motivated to improve and how I've been dedicating time to explore various tools and websites to improve my understanding. I'm at the beginning stages of my career in business and finance and I've already started applying what I've learned to analyze market trends. I've already been experimenting with trading at home and it's been exciting to see small returns from these personal investments and it's giving me motivation to learn about market trends, risks, and strategies. While my formal education provides a solid foundation, these personal experiences are helping me build my confidence and improve my understanding of finance. My goal today is to help you understand how to make good decisions, avoid significant losses, and eventually make some money. With the unpredictability in markets, especially with the external factors like politic decisions from leaders like Trump, it's more important than ever to stay ahead of trends and make smart moves. Get ready to follow my step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to show you how to use TradingView. It's only going to take a few minutes and by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to navigate in this website. So stay tuned and let's dive right in. Stay tuned because I'm about to show you some powerful features that could change the way you make your financial decision. Let me explain the problem. As students, especially in fields like business, finance, and economics, we often face the challenge of making decisions based on limited resources and informations. With the financial market that is constantly changing and influenced by unpredictable events like political decisions or global crises, it's easy to feel lost or overwhelmed. As we begin our careers, we have to understand how these changes impact the real market. If we don't get the right data, we could end up making bad decisions. Misinformation, whether it's from unreliable sources or outdated data, can lead to bad trades or business decisions. Without the right tools, you risk losing money or credibility. For example, let's suppose you receive a paycheck every month and you decide to invest a certain percentage of it in a company that you believe has potential. However, after some time, you realize that the company's performance isn't as strong as expected. You could be losing money due to the bad market trends or misinformed decisions. That can be difficult, but don't worry. I found a solution. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to use TradingView to analyze market trends, track real-time data, and make great financial decisions. First, open your browser and go on the website www.tradingview.com. Yeah. So now that you're on the homepage of TradingView, let me show you around. In the top left corner, in the top left corner, you'll see the TradingView logo and a menu bar. Here you can access your account notification and settings. In the middle of the screen, here, you'll find the main chart area. This is where you'll be able to track and analyze different financial markets like stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies. You can select various charts and customize them with tools like moving averages and trend lines. On the navigation menu here, you'll find tabs like markets, ideas, scripts that offer additional features like viewing market data, community, trading ideas, and custom scripts. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Here, that's pretty interesting. You'll find links to TradingView blogs here, resources, social media, links to keep up with the latest updates and news in the trading world. So let's take, for example, Apple Inc. Here we're looking at the stock chart for Apple Inc. And you can see that the price is plotted as candlesticks here, red and green bars. Each candlestick represents the open, high, low, and close of Apple stock for a given time frame. So for the time frame adjustments, you can see here you have 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 1 year, 5 years. Other tools would be the trend lines here. You can do this. You have the trend line tool that allows you to draw lines to track the direction of the stock's movement. This can help identify support and resistance levels. You also have indicators. So here you can add technical indicators that, like the relative strength index (RSI). This is nice. This is nice. RSI. Relative strength index, which helps you understand whether a stock is overbought or oversold. And you have a lot of, here you have the price. The current price is at $211.62. And yeah, that's quite it. You can zoom, move the chart a little bit to see, and just analyze and see where it's low so you can buy it. So yeah, that's it. So I promise I will show you how to analyze market trends and make informed decisions, and I did it with TradingView.com. This tool helps you visualize market data and apply various indicators like moving averages to evaluate whether companies like Apple are good investments or not. I hope that was useful to you because I need you to do something for me. Before I finish, I want you to click to the subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss my next video. Also, take a moment to share this tutorial on social media so others can benefit from these tips. Thanks for watching.